Oh, hey guys, it's been a long time. I haven't do any open box, but this time it's been we have a pandemic. We stayed home. I purchased this robot DJI Robot Master S1. I bought it when it first came out. It's been a long time. I don't know how long, but I've been put it off in the garage, and then finally I'm gonna have my kids gonna build this thing with me. It's pretty fun robot. You can check it out online. I think you can purchase right now. It's readily available. It's fun for adult and kid. So let's have an open box, okay? So let's see what we have here. This is the we just took it off from the shipping package. This is what the original box come in at. Okay, so let's start with I already kind of cut it. Let's see what we have. Okay, there we go. Let's come up. There we got here. This is what it's coming out here. We got a like instruction manual here. I think there's wheels part. This is a controller, battery, some sort. So we go here. First thing, instruction box and material. Okay. So I'm gonna briefly go over what's in here. So I think this one is once you build a robot, I think this is like a markers that you can use to let the robot aim and shoot at it. So I think this is a quick start guide. So show you how to build a robot. Okay. And I think there's markers again. Okay, it's pretty much markers. That's it. That instruction part. And then I think this is a wheel base. Wheels. I think this is a controller. And I don't know what this is. I think charging bit. And some sort of cover. So let's see, grease. I think some sort of parts. I don't know. I'm gonna. Oh, this where you see this wheels right here has some sort of. It can go sideways, so it doesn't go forward and backward, but it goes sideways as well. So this one you put it in, and it's gonna go sideways. That's what that's for. And then we have, can you guys see the box still? So we're having this box here. Oh, this is screws. And there is some sort of screwdriver. Okay. And here, got many wheels. Oh, and each one will come with the pair. So it goes something like this. Okay. And then next we have here, we have this. Oh, these are motors. Okay, motors. We have 4 of them. Again, motors. And then here we have a bottle. Oh, this is like a boba gels or bullets that you soak it in waters and will turn into like boba balls, tiny balls, and you can load it into the robot and then you can shoot it. So that's what it's for. Oh, this is a screwdriver end. And then next we got some sort of connector. I don't know what that is. Yeah. And oh, cool. We have a goggle. Interesting. That's a goggle. You can put it on, build it. And there's a goggle right there. Okay, controller you haven't seen it. Next, we have. Okay. I don't know what this is, but it's some sort of wheels or something. And next, we get these rubber bands, I guess for the wheels. We have 4 of them, so that go in there. Next, we have the, okay, this one right here, gonna go in here, underneath. Okay, it's parts of the wheels again, okay, let's go in here. And then next, they give you blue tapes. I think it's blue tapes, yes, blue tape. But the good thing is they include everything you needed. So I think this is for the wheels again, some sort of wheels assembly. I'll put right there. We got 4 of them. Then next, we have the battery itself. Okay, so far, the quality is really good. If you have a drone with DJI, they are very well known for DJI. So the material, I mean the feel, the plastic here is very sturdy, very high quality. Charging cable. Next, we have the, let's see what we have here. Okay, some sort of cover for the battery. Okay, this is second layer. So we have, this is a top layer box. There's more parts here, you can see here. Okay, so I think this is the body, okay? The body of the robot. This is the bottom of the robot, top, the back, the top down. There's some container. Okay. Okay, so this is. Okay, back for this. Okay, I think this is another battery. I'm not gonna open it, but again, it's a battery. Okay, so we have here, what do we have here? So this next piece right here is, oh, I think this is what it is. You see this? It's kind of turning. So this go on top, right here, right there. I'm gonna spin. I think this is where the gun is gonna go. The gun gonna sit on top of here. Okay? So I'm gonna just leave it right there. Okay, next. Oh, there's a gun right here. There's a gun. Back. This thing can actually shoot out this balls right here. And it's safe, okay? So again, when you assemble it, it's gonna go on top of here, like this. Ooh, it look cool. I like it already. So I'm gonna put right here. Next is, what do we have underneath? Oh, there is a, see right there, a camera module. Okay, it's tiny, tiny camera module. So I don't know where that goes, but I guess it goes somewhere, that camera module. Okay, next we have here is, okay, it's a part of the gun. Oh, I know what it is. You see there's a lock. I guess this is a compartment here that you load these beads in it, and I can shoot out. Next, we have some sort of connector. I'm not gonna open it. It's a connector, nothing interesting. And we have some sort of cover. I think it's go on top here or something. Who knows? Okay. And what we have here? Cables. Just connector cables. Nothing. And this looks interesting. Oh, there's more covers. 2 covers. Okay. And then finally, we have 4 Oh, I know what this is. This is sensor that you put on the sides of the robot, that if you have another similar robot and the 2 of them fighting each other, they're shooting at each other, if you get hit, this thing will light up if you get hit. So once you build a robot, you're gonna attach the sensor around it, so whenever another robot hit you or shooting at you and get hit, this thing will light up. Okay? And I think that's it for the open box. And so what we're gonna do now is me and my daughter is here, which they're both filming right now, and Joanne and Joey can actually gonna build this robot. And then once we finish building it, we're gonna have another recording. Okay, so check back. I know I'm gonna ask it like every YouTuber, if you like it, subscribe it, and smash that bell button, okay? You get more videos. Of course, we're not making any money yet, but we will. Okay, if you like it, guys, subscribe. Thank you.